Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K2. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with PC. To connect your keyboard to PC, firstly, make sure to activate Bluetooth or prepare USB-C cable. If you want to pair it via Bluetooth, press and hold FN button and 1, 2 or 3 button for 4 seconds to activate Bluetooth pairing mode. Now on your smartphone, on your PC, go to Bluetooth settings and select your keyboard. If you prefer wired connection, connect the USB cable to your PC and to the keyboard. Now switch the switch on the left side to USB and it's done. Right here we've got the switch between Bluetooth and USB. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.